In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at one of the new updates in Affinity 3, which lets you convert pixel information into vector objects. So I want to have this cat as a vector object, and this cat is in Pixel Studio. It's a picture, so it's pixel. And to convert this cat into a vector object, we're going to use the selection brush, the object selection tool. You can also use the selection brush tool, but I'm going to opt for the object selection tool, and then I'm going to hover on top of my cat, which I want to have selected. And then as you can see, the object selection tool really does a good job of selecting. So you click it and then it will select it for you. If you want to have some parts added or subtracted, you can click refine as well. But now you have selected your cat. We're going to go to a vector, and here we're going to choose convert to curves, or press Ctrl Command return. And as you can see, I now have a vector of my cat. So this one is a vector object. You can see it here as well. It says curves instead of pixel. And this vector object you can change like you want to. You can make it smaller or bigger, and you can also change the color using the swatches or the color window here. If those windows aren't visible, you can go to window and then general, and in general you can choose which windows you want to have, in this case swatches and color. And so with your vector selected, you can click the color you want to use and change it like that. But that's how you can easily convert a pixel selection into a vector object in Affinity 3. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.